Hello everybody, and if you have the Infinix and it's blinking, here's a quick solution. I do want to thank the dude on YouTube who pulled up what the flashing light means. So if you guys got that 4 flashing lights, it's not working. Excuse me, my voice is gone. But even after you clean it, it's not working. What you want to do is take like a Q-tip and kind of open it so the cotton's out, and then you want to push down on those metal prongs with the Q-tip. Not too hard, but just enough to where the juice from inside those metal prongs pops up. And you'll see, like, even after you cleaned it and it's clean, if you push those down with the Q-tip, then you'll see all this like dark colored juice, and then it will be able to work. So thanks for watching. Peace.